Hi, I'm Oliver. I'm our electrical sub-team lead, and this is Olivia, another one of our electricians, and we're from Team 7166, Robotics. And today we're going to be going over how we do our ring terminals and connections from motor to motor for CAN wire, so you don't have COM issues. When building ring terminals in a CAN loop, you're going to need these tools that are going to be listed on screen. So to start off doing your ring terminals, you're going to have to strip down the wire to the length of the U in the ring. And then after that, you're going to take the yellow to the yellow that's already connected to the motor and the green to the green. So we're going to start with the yellow to the yellow. You're going to twist the copper part together. And then you're going to put the actual ring on top of it. And then you're going to crimp it down using the 2 number on the crimping tool. Once you've fully crimped all your rings down, it is very important that you put shrink tubing over top so that the metal is not going to touch any bare wire that might happen in your robot. Now that you crimped down your ring terminals and properly shrink tubed them, you're then going to put them on the motor using the 0.6 Newton meter Torx wrench and the correct screws. So now that you have your motors fully connected with CAN wire, it's very important that you check your loop. So when you make your CAN loop, it should always go motor to motor from ring to ring. Now, for your drivetrain, your swerve modules, it's going to be different. So you're going to have your steering motor, and that steering motor is going to go to an encoder. And so there would be a break here where the encoder would be. So on your drivetrain, it's going to be motor to an encoder and then encoder to a motor. But otherwise, you go motor to motor. And it's very important that you do this because the CAN wire is your communication between motors to let them know what's going on. So it's also very important that you make sure everything is tightened down all the way, the yellow is on the yellow part and the green is on the green, and everything is fully connected.